Well, Back in Black. Sounds like an AC/DC song. How about Back in Pink? All right. Is there a song called Pink? I think there is by Aerosmith, and there's a singer named Pink. She's pretty badass. Okay. And I'm trying to think of other things that are pink that are just magically delicious. But anyway, it's your buddy, Cory Draper, Mr. 7-Up, evidently. You give me a free hat, I'll wear it. I even have hats that I've purchased. But I'll be darned if I don't, and I'm not kidding you, I wear the hats that are free more than the ones that I buy. What the heck is wrong with me? Okay, let's talk about something that definitely has changed my life, and I'm not kidding you. I'm not talking about me transistoring. Am I going to transistor? Okay. Yeah, I wear a size 14. Wouldn't I look pretty darn sexy in size 14 high heels? Okay, so I'll try not to transistor live on this video. But if I do, that might go viral. And I might make a couple bucks with Google AdSense. Okay, what I'm talking about is online business. Okay, March 23rd, or 2023, I'm sorry. Going about a year and a half ago. Before that, I am not Mr. Online Business Opportunity guy. Okay. I sure in the heck don't have a list built up or have just a lot of credibility or sales or just a good pedigree of, guys, I have 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 years experience. Listen to me. I know what I'm talking about, Jack. Okay? I don't have that. But I can tell you this. I study something, and if I want it bad enough, I work hard so I can buy it. Okay, if I want a better body, I'll do my best to eat better and try not to eat pizza every day, just every week. Okay, and if I go to eBay, I know that I have to earn some money and probably buy whatever trinket or something I can put on the shelves in the back of my head. I know if I want to live in a home or an apartment or a townhouse or maybe just get a badass RV, live in it and drive around the country. Okay, cost money, gasoline, insurance. This phone that I'm talking into and webcam, that costs money. Everything costs money. Doesn't it suck? Wouldn't it be cool if everything was free? But yet people go to work, but yet the goods are free. And you just drive by a house, $2-3 million and go, I think I'll take that one. And give me a brand new truck, a brand new giraffe. I want an elephant in the backyard. And I think I want some candy bars to go. Okay? Everything costs money. So you have to make it. And sometimes you are born into a certain career or job. Okay? My dad, he was a gigolo, and now I'm a gigolo. No, I just kidding. That would be kind of cool, though. It's like, look, my dad, he's Deuce Bigalow. He's Rob Snyder. And you know what? Like father, like son. And gosh, guys, I got to go. I got to end my video early because I have a date in about 18 minutes. Okay? I got to make myself $30 because I'm an expensive Deuce Bigelow. I think I'm more douche Bigelow. That would probably, and dressed like this, 7-Up hat, pink shirt. I don't know. Maybe I can get $20, but 30 to 40, I might be shooting too high. But I think a lot of us, since the old intranet came out, you can see that there's a lot of money being made online. But it always comes down to, what do I sell? Do I have books, ebooks? Do I have some type of business or a product that I can sell on Amazon or just get my own website? Okay. I think most people, I know that most of my friends anyway, they don't really have something to sell. Okay. They have jobs, and a lot of them, they love their careers. They love their jobs. Okay. But I know quite a few friends too that are just kind of sick and tired of their jobs because they've been working in the same category, the same field, pretty much since high school. And these guys are my age, almost 60. So when you put 10, 20, 30, 40 years into your career, or at least your job, I don't blame those people getting kind of sick and tired of being sick and tired of getting up, driving to work. Maybe you don't like your employees. Maybe sitting at the water bottle, or what's it called, the water cooler, telling the same stories every month, every year, gets kind of old. Feel like maybe life is slipping by. the reason why I say that now is because I'm at that age where, yeah, uh, time seems to be slipping by and hauling ass. 24 hours goes by a lot faster when you get older. Trust me, if you're a little whippersnapper right now, 18 to 20 or 30, I'd do anything to be 40 or 50 again. But you got to value your time. And you got to decide, what do I want to do the rest of my life? And that's every morning. Okay, when you get up, what do you want to eat? What do you want to dress like? Okay, what do you want for maybe lunch or dinner? What kind of pretty girl do you want to ask out or marry? All right, and guys, girls dating guys and guys becoming girls. And I don't know what your kids are doing nowadays. I'm confused. I'm trying not to transistorize myself in my cool pink parental advisory "Girls Love Me" shirt. I even bought this for myself. I wish I could say someone bought it for me, but nope, I'm insecure. And I thought that I would wear this pink to show that what a man I am. I'm bold enough to wear pink in a free 7-Up hat that I got at a car show and sit with pretty much things called toys on the back of my wall, and then talk about time and time management and the value of time. Okay? Because, man, you're going to meet a lot of crazy, wacky people, and I might be one of them. Okay? And if you're watching my video, I'm very excited that you are. Okay? Because if there's one thing I'm good at is trimming the fat. And if something doesn't entertain me, I'm gone. And if I put some time and effort into something, you can bet your sweet ass I want pay. Okay? I don't do things for free other than build Legos and show off, hopefully, that girls will laugh at me still. And there's a lot of things that, of course, you have to do for free, like, breathe, poop, eat, but you got to buy baby wipes. You got to flush that water and pay for it, right? Even if you take a shower, somehow it's costing, okay? But when it comes to online things, like setting things up and marketing, I will sit back and, is the juice worth the squeeze, or is the squeeze, worth the juice? And what I mean by that is, after a certain amount of time, maybe weeks, months, 3 months, 6 months, if you put some time into something expecting pay and it's not happening, you're probably going to lose interest. And I don't blame you. I don't blame you one second, guys. I'm the same way, except I probably have ADDD. You might have AD or ADD, but I got ADD. DDDD. I got A duty brewing because I just had a burrito. Just kidding. I crack myself up doing these damn things. And I should pay you guys for watching my videos when I think about it. Because you guys are like therapy. When you guys get a hold of me and say nice things, it makes me feel good. Okay? I'm ready to do stand-up comedy at any given point during this video. But I just want to promote one thing. The900group.com. Okay? I'm going to shrink myself up, and I'm going to go and I'm going to click something. And you know what? I'm going to make a business card pop up. Okay? The900group.com. I'm going to end the video by you watching that little thing right there. That's all I want you to do. Then the video right afterwards. Okay, so if you're on my YouTube channel, just watch the video right after this one. I'm going to take you on a little tour of what the 900 group is, because it is a group of people like myself that make $900 a day. Did you hear that? I did it today again. Yesterday I did it, and 2 or 3 days ago I made $3,000 in one day. That's $5,000, guys, in less than 3 days, because I still have half the day to go before this is my third day. Okay, so to bring in $5,000 in 3 days, is it exciting? Yes. Does it feel good? It really does. Does it shock you and me that someone that dresses in a pink, I hope it's a shirt. It could be, is it one of those onesies? Maybe they're pajamas. But can a guy with a bunch of toys hanging on a wall in a free 7-Up cap in a pink shirt make that kind of money? You'd think that it's ridiculous. And it is. It feels ridiculous. And it is awesome. And it gives you a lot of endorphins, like winning something. Maybe people gamble. Some people like to speed. I do like to race cars and bikes and stuff. But it's very satisfying, and I'm being serious. It feels good, and I want you to go through the same feelings that I've been having about over the last year. Because when I started doing live video like this and emailing and doing certain things to make money online, and I put the time and the effort in, and I'm getting paid, awesome. And when the money coming in is substantial, holy effing cow. Wow. Moo. I want to milk myself right now like a cow. Okay? So, I'm going to show you what I do on the next video. I just want to end this one now because I've taken up 10 minutes of your time, and I appreciate that. So let me show you. The900group.com. I own this domain, and I want you to check it out. I want you to say hi to this pretty lady and her gorgeous dog, and just read this. Put your email in there. Don't worry, you're not buying nothing. I just want you to go on a journey and check out what I do to make $900 a day. And that's only on one thing. I have 6 incomes, guys. Okay? Can you make $900 a day? In my opinion, disclaimer, you bet your sweet buns. The left side and the right side. And somewhere in the middle as well. Okay? I know you can do this. So, that's your homework right now. And then after this video, I want you to watch the next one because I'm going to take you on a little ride and show you what I'm talking about. The900group.com. Okay, peace and love, guys. We'll see you next video.